Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious smoothie with frozen fruit. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite frozen fruit, half a cup of liquid such as milk or juice, and any optional add-ins like a scoop of protein powder. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a quick and easy smoothie. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. Always pour your liquid into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, add your frozen fruit, followed by any powders or seeds. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the frozen fruit, then gradually increase the speed until your smoothie is smooth and creamy. Don't overblend. Now for the fun part, customization. You can easily enhance your smoothie with various add-ins. A tablespoon of honey or maple syrup can sweeten things up, while a handful of spinach adds nutrients without altering the taste much. For extra fiber and healthy fats, try adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or a quarter of an avocado. The possibilities are endless. Once your smoothie reaches your desired consistency, it's time to enjoy. Pour it immediately into a glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh berries or a sprinkle of granola. Remember, smoothies are best enjoyed fresh. And a quick tip: cleaning your blender right after use makes the process much easier. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.